Hey guys, this is Jacob from Engadget here, and I have the BlackBerry Torch 2. And this is an unreleased, unannounced BlackBerry device that we happened to get from our friends over at Negri Electronics. So I'm just going to take you through a quick tour of the hardware and a little peek at the software. But again, this is completely pre-release, unannounced, all that good stuff, so just keep that in mind. You can see it's basically the exact same size, exact same form factor as the original BlackBerry Torch. It has the same sliding mechanism, and it still feels very, very sturdy, very solid. It's about the same exact width as the original Torch and thickness as the original Torch, but it's kind of wrapped in this new matte gunmetal almost finish around it. We actually really like it to the fake chrome of the original Torch, and you can really see it at the most in the top. We also really like this new battery cover that's around the back. It has this textured material, and as opposed to the lines across on the original Torch. 5-megapixel camera on the back with autofocus. And then it has a volume up and down rocker, as well as a convenience key along the side, just as standard for BlackBerry devices. On the other side there is a micro USB charging port, and then on the top you have a mute and lock switch. It has the exact same sliding mechanism as the original Torch, and then it also reveals the same full-size QWERTY keyboard as the original Torch. We still really like the keyboard. BlackBerry knows what they're doing, and we're kind of just glad that they didn't mess with it here. But the other part of this, besides the hardware, is the software, and this is actually running the new BlackBerry 7 OS. This is running build 100, which we're sure will probably be updated before this gets made live. Major changes in BlackBerry 7 are under the hood in terms of new APIs for developers to take advantage of, but there's some stuff on the touch in terms of the interactiveness for the user that you're going to definitely notice. So first thing is liquid graphics, which is basically what RIM's calling their new responsive touchscreen. You can see it's just really, really responsive, pretty quick, and just worlds better than the original Torch. Also new is the browser is much faster, and you can see it's just much more responsive. Still has pinch to zoom, and it just seems it's a lot more on a level of what we'd like to see at this stage of the game. You can see scrolling is just really pretty quick. Pinch to zoom works really fast, and it's just really nice. Animations within the OS are just a lot more fluid, a lot better. The screen itself is a lot brighter, more vibrant, and you can see there's much better viewing angles. Colors are pretty rich, bright, and we really just are big fans of the screen on this device. It's really a nice touch. The other big new thing that you'll probably notice is that there's actually a compass, since the Torch has a built-in magnetometer, but again, you'll have to calibrate it just like on an iPhone or any other device with a magnetometer inside to get it to show the proper orientation, but I guess it's working already. So that's just a quick look at the BlackBerry Torch 2, and we hope